All right, great day to be great. Check out this cool image slider that I found how to do. And now we're gonna walk through creating it. All right, so again, I got some starter files for you. You'll be able to download it so that you'll have all of the images needed. Let me close this and the old code. All right, so there should be images there, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's start the index.html. All right, ready to do this? Let's go. We're going to start off with a header. Here in this title, we could just do image slider. Let's go header. Here's where we're going to make our nav bar. Boom, go ahead and copy those. And then we're going to make home, about, portfolio, services, contact. These are just pretty generic nav bar. Let's organize our, boom, perfect. So that's what our website should look like right now. All right, let's go ahead and open the CSS. And then for our CSS, let's get some beginner styles. First, let's go ahead and get a font that we want to use. Poppins is pretty nice. Get font, get embedded code, import. Go ahead and just grab that, copy, paste it here in your CSS. Perfect. Now let's go body. This is the space on the outsides. Background color, let's make it black. All the words, I'm gonna make it and then here we're gonna get our font going. This is where you go font family. Grab that right there. Font size is great, 12px. Good. Let's go ahead and take the blue off of this. And that is just text, decoration, none. Now inside our header, oh, let's edit that. That's better. header, width, there we go. Does anyone want to tell me why my styles aren't going into it? I know why. Link it. Boom. There you go. All right. So now, almost there. Let's go header. Nice. And a margin. Right. Let's make it 5px. Padding. Top and bottom, I want 5px. And left and right, I want 10px. And then transition, 0.2 seconds. I'll show you what that's going to do in a second. And then now, boom, let's, when we are, oh, header A. There you go. That looks nice. It's white and over to the side. And then now let's give this first one class equals active, showing like the one that's the active tab that's on. There you go. Let's do background. One 4 FF 7 2 CB. Let's make it that color, and then let's give it a border radius of 2px. Boom. So now that's the one that's active. And let's go header A. So when we hover over the other ones, it'll show up that green as well. Boom, 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 boom. All right, great start.